So in this video, you will learn how to input and output in Java. To get started, you need to go to IntelliJ and create a project. I've already created a project, and then press your project name here, and then press source, and then right click, and then new Java class. So I'll name it main. Okay, so and then inside this, I will set a public static void main string. Okay, so inside it, to use first need to import the scanner class. So to do it, you need to import java.util.scanner. And then put a semicolon. It's a little same from PHP. You need to put a semicolon also. Okay, so inside you need to create a scanner object. So scanner, to do that, you need to say scanner, scan. You can put any name for a scanner, equals new scanner. And then system.in, and then put a semicolon, and then you created the scanner object. Okay, now we'll create a string input. So to do that, we'll write string. So this is how to create a string in Java. So our string length, I'll just do str equals scan.next line. So this is an input. Okay, before that, we can also print something. System.out.println is printing something. So I'll just print enter your name. Okay, and then put a semicolon. So if you just put print, this won't work. So you need to put system.out.print. Okay, so once you've done that, after that you can just print this string. So to print it, system.out.println str, and then put a semicolon, and then now we will run it. To run it, we'll just right click this file and then click run main.main. Okay, and then a window will pop up. Okay, so I'll click here, enter a name, test. Okay, as you see, this echoes test. Okay, so you can also print it multiple times. So to print it multiple times, so not if, you will use a for loop. For I equals 0, I'll just declare the verb int I. So this is gonna be an int. Int I is gonna be 0. I is smaller than, let's say, 5. So it will print 5 times. And then I++, so that means I increases by 1 every time. Okay, so close it, and then now so it will print 5 times. So now when you run it, it will print on separate lines. So if you don't want to print it on separate lines, you can remove it. But let's just see what it looks like on separate lines. Okay, so let's run it again. So when we've run it, we can press this button. We don't need to right click it again. Okay, press it. And then enter a name test. Okay, and then it will display test 5 times. Now we will remove this ln. So this ln stands for a line. Okay, run it again. Enter a name. And then now it echoes it 5 times. Okay, so you can also do how many times? So I'll just print enter how many times. Okay, and then now put a semicolon, and then now string times equals scan the next int, and this one is an int. So next int to enter an int. Okay, so now we'll just change this 5 to times, and then now it will print how many times you enter here. Okay, let's run it. Okay, enter name test. Enter how many times? Let's say 6, and then it will print it test 6 times here. Okay, so that's how to input and output in Java. Please subscribe and like this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.